Yes, God.
Right now, Satan, the Lord rebuke you. This man of God. Sickness, disease, infirmity, you can't live in his body. All tissues, organs, cells, muscles function properly capacity made to function in his body. Right now, Father, we just thank you for the thought you think towards Mr. Burns. Thoughts of good, not leave you as an expected end. Satisfy him with long life and peace. Right now, Satan, we command you, get off him in Jesus' name. Sickness, disease, and infirmities, go in Jesus' name. Right now, from his head to his feet, Lord. We thank you for healing. We thank you for the healing. He bore our sickness, carried disease in his own body on the cross by whose stripes we were healed. And we are healed. Amen, amen, amen.
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 Yes.
Sam.
Hallelujah. Glory, hallelujah.
Thank you for the word.
Yes, God. Touch him. Hallelujah. Oh, God. Hallelujah. Yes.
Oh, we take authority over sickness, disease, and infirmities right now in the name of Jesus.
Hallelujah.
By Jesus' stripes we're healed.
Yes.
We thank you for the 23rd Psalm that we prayed upon Samuel.
Yes.
You know, he restores my soul.
Yes.
So, Father, right now, we thank you for the anointing of God that's on this young man.
Yes, God.
He has anointing for the word. And Father, right now, in Jesus' name, you will use him for your glory.
Yes.
And we bind every demon, every devil, every unclean spirit to come up against Satan. Right now, we cast you out, dry places, secret rest, and find out. This is a child of God. This is God's man. He will fulfill all the will of God. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen. Hey, Will, can you come on up?
Yes. Hallelujah. In the name of Jesus. Hallelujah. Yes. Hallelujah.
Father, we thank you for Will's back.
Yes.
And we thank you for sparing his life.
Yes.
We thank you for the love of Christ.
Yes.
We thank you for the anointing of the Holy Ghost.
Hallelujah. Yes.
And Father, right now,